What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva Crypto Babe. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I am back again with Guaranteed Leads IO. I'm super excited about this program. It's doing its thing. The best source for automated leads and automated cash flow. Next level automated home business success. I want to show you some more results and just do another quick review on this program. The link is in the description. Go get started. Go check it out. First thing you want to do is watch this video. Jot your notes down, your questions down if you have any after you read over this entire website, and watch the video and then give me a call, okay, if you have any questions. Otherwise, click this join now button and get started. Okay. All right, Guaranteed Leads is your problem solver. Absolutely. If you don't have leads, you're not in business. You must have eyeballs looking at your opportunity, guys. You're an online business. So with this program, they're going to allow you to have access to leads where you don't have to bug friends and family. You don't have to chase people down on Facebook, send people emails. I get emails all the time from people that need this. They are sending me emails. I've never asked them for any information. They opted into my page to send me an email. That's not how you market. Okay? This is what these people need. You need leads of people that's interested in what you're offering, right? People are on my list because they opted into my page. All right? So this is an example of why you need to get this service. All right? Number one, you get this system that allows you to make $75 commissions over and over and over. This whole little system here is only $125 one time. No monthly fees. You get paid any way you want. You can accept debit cards, credit cards, Cash App, Venmo, or Zelle, or Authorize.net. Okay, that's number one. It comes with a capture page, capture pages, numerous pages you can select from. It comes with a built-in autoresponder that's going to follow up with your prospects for you. Okay, you get a whole back office, a whole marketing system set up and ready to go. Now, what they've included in the back office is this service right here. It's a third-party company that offers you access to real-time leads. These are interviewed leads where people have actually raised their hand and said, hey, I'm interested in a home-based business and I can spend up to $400. Send me some information. Okay, so what happens is this company, you decide how many leads you want per day. They're going to email them to you. They're going to email you their name, the phone number, phone number, and email of the person every day. I've asked for 5, so every day I'm receiving 5 leads Monday through Friday. And then what they're doing is sending text messages and emails to these people on my behalf. Okay, and what happens is when these folks click on the link that I tell them I want them to send to these people, they send me another email and text and say, hey, you got a hot lead. It's coded hot lead, literally. Okay, and that tells me that the person have actually clicked the link, okay, of the website that I want them to look at. And then what I do is in turn go ahead and reach out to them. Okay, so this service is awesome. Now that's additional service that's in the back office, but you can't get access to that until you get the Guaranteed Lead system, which is $125 one time. It allows you to make these unlimited $75 instant commissions, guys. All right, so this is your hub. This is considered a hub. All right, now this comes with what they consider a reverse one-up comp plan. You're going to get paid $75, right? On your first sale, you're going to make $75. The second sale that comes in, it automatically gets passed up to your sponsor. And the third sale and beyond, you keep all those. But this allows leverage in the comp plan. This is going to be passive $75 commissions that's going to just pass up to you at any point in time. Okay, so for the price, $125, it's not a bad price. It's affordable for everybody. So it's a resource hub. Okay, a resource hub, and you get to promote your primary business in your back office. So when people sign up with you and they log into their back office, they can see your primary business. What else are you offering? Okay, what else are you promoting? Okay, so this system is going to allow you to make multiple streams of income, and the company, that third-party vendor, they allow you to be an affiliate, okay, because you referred those folks to them. Because to sign up, they're going to sign up from your back office to get that third-party lead service. So you'll get credit for that. All right, so you can make multiple streams of income with this $125 system one time. All right, guys. One-stop shop promoting multiple income opportunities. Start today for $125. I just mentioned to you what it is, and they consider it picks and shovels. That's what they name it in the back office. Multiple tools earn multiple income streams. Targeted leads, automated SMS communication, email marketing, and lead marketing. This thing works on autopilot. You're able to put your picture in there so people can see who you are when they go to this page. If they want to reach out to you directly, they can do that. And then they have a FAQ, little questionnaire section right here as well. That's it. Really simple system. All right, very simple, easy to maneuver. So let's go check out the back office, and I'll show you this new payment that has come in. Check it out. All right, you get your dashboard when you log in. As you can see, I am in my dashboard. Right here is my name right here. First thing you want to do when you get access and you log in, you want to go right here, welcome video. That's number 1. Watch this welcome video. It says it, welcome. Step 2, right here, system setup video. Watch that. Okay, those are the things you want to do first. But right here to your left is your contacts. Right here is the marketing funnels, your capture pages, your landing pages. All right, they have several of those. I think I counted 12 last time I looked at them. You got your landing pages here. You've got tools right here because you have an autoresponder that's built in. And guess what? You can email, broadcast all the leads, all the people that put their name and email in your system. You can go back here on your own and just send a personal email and say, hey, you know, introduce yourself and reach out to them maybe once a week. Send an email. Then guess what? They have banners. Let's click on these banners. They've got banners, guys. You can put these banners on different classified websites. Check them out. Okay, and then they're coded to you. See my link right here. So they've got different banners that you can share. Okay, look at all these banners. Tons of banners. Okay, tons and tons and tons and tons of these banners back here. Okay, so go check that out. And then resources is right here. Hang on a second. Resources right here, and it says get started. And then account information, that's your account information, your personal information. And then right here is where that lead company is, right here. So when you log in, click on picks and shovels, okay, and then you will see, like if you sign up with me, you're going to see my primary business that I'm promoting, the link that I'm promoting back there, and then you'll also see this company where you can get these leads that I'm talking about coming to you on autopilot every day, Monday through Friday. All right, and then of course right here is where you'll see all your referrals, the people that have signed up with you, and the commissions you've earned, all right here under referral program. All right, so get into it. Get into it. Again, this is the sales page. This is going to do all the selling and telling for you, so you really don't have to explain this program. If you have somebody personally you want to send this to, just send them this page, but don't try to explain it. Let them go through the same process you went through. All right, now let's go check out this new payment. Welcome aboard, Mr. Al. All right, check it out. Okay, without revealing the person's name and information, email rather. Right here it says he sent me $75. There it is, and it came in around 12:44 this afternoon, guys. All right, so this is the real deal. Okay, and then right here you see they sent me an email. Pandora, good job. You just confirmed that payment and granted GL access into the name of the person that's down there. And again, around 12:45 this afternoon, guys. Okay, so this thing absolutely works and you get paid instantly. So if you have a business opportunity, that's the thing. Hang on a second. You have a business opportunity that you're trying to promote. You can use this tool, use this as a tool, pay the $125, get access to that third-party company back here in the back office, and have them get the leads and promote your primary business. Like maybe you got a high-ticket program. You can use them to promote that, but you've got to get this system to get access. So on the front end, you're going to earn $75 every time you sell this system. Okay, you're going to earn commissions when people buy the service. Also, okay, when they decide, hey, I want to get that service too, they're going to get it from their back office. That's your link back there. And then you're promoting your primary business in the back office. Okay, so you're earning commissions, guys, just for purchasing this system and being able to promote your business opportunity and using this service in the back office to promote whatever you want to promote. All right, so go check this thing out. Link is in the description. All right, if you have any questions, jot them down. Watch this video first. Give me a jingle. All right, and I look forward to working with you guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.